Which one? They're all waterproof. This is nice, but it's
I
black
like
for me.
these. Yeah, that's what I like about them. Good morning, Philippines!
Magbiglats lang kami para bibili ng kape at saka punta akong regular grocery store para bibili ng creamer. No, we don't need that. We don't need bags. Hindi na siya pwedeng pupunta ng grocery. Sabihin natin sa kanya. Why you want bag?
Well, we gotta do the creamer and stuff, right?
I'm the one who's going to the store. And a fish for you.
Fish?
Katilsa fish? Is that what you want?
No.
One katilsa fish is tilapia, right?
No.
Hala, my camera is there. I forgot you guys, you're over there. Oh, hopefully you guys won't go anywhere. I think I need you guys to stand over there. I think I need a glue. Can I glue that?
You got all these friggin' attachments for the car.
Okay, let's see if you guys stay there, okay? So if you guys will fly, you grab it, okay?
That'll happen. It hit me in the head.
Honey? Okay, you're good? Okay, let's see if you guys is fine. Okay. Diyan lang kayo. You grab it if it's go flying.
You know, they put a regular pail out every day. They guess the garbage been taken too.
Huh?
So aside from these, they put a regular pail. You notice that?
You do?
Yeah.
No, what is that noise? I guess you guys okay over there. Huh. The camera is fine, honey. Because the camera is very light, that's why doesn't you know.
I think it would move easier then.
Huh? No, it's very light. The camera is very light. Let's say over here it's like.
Let's see if we can make it turn.
Honey, it's amazing. What's my camera? Look, hold. Honey, I'm amazed. I'm amazed, you guys. You guys are so amazing. You're standing with there without blinking. Oh my God, the sun is bright. And yung stand niya is tatlo lang siya, ganon. Hindi siya nagmo-move. It's not even blinking.
Price on it though.
There's $30. Oh guys, last year we cannot find it.
Nope.
And this is good for the two swing one.
Right.
Yeah, this one is good for the two swing one. We're gonna get, it's only two, right? I like this.
And they're all 30.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna have price. I didn't know it's 30.
It's over there, the other side. Yeah, 30. Which one? They're all waterproof. This is nice, but it's black.
I like
for
these.
me.
Yeah, that's what I like about them.
Get that one because this one will be 30. Really obvious. It's obvious they're all 30. What? Do you want colorful one?
No.
Tommy? I'm gonna get one now because we can't find this one again.
They're just getting them in for the season.
Huh?
They're just getting them in for the season.
So what do you think? You will wait?
No, but
Huh?
how much we need? We need.
The swing, the two one I need. We get 3. Well, are you sitting one? The one with the swing one? The two in the front. There's a swing. 2-seaters in there.
Okay.
And then there's another one that there's no cushion because you know
Right.
I put in the back. The only thing that they have a lot of color is this kind and this thing. This one they don't have much.
Well, these are reversible.
Oh yeah, it's reversible.
So is this.
Oh, they're the same. No,
Oh, that one.
you think we need it before we're like we cannot find a good one anymore? Or you rather get the blue one? But this is the one for the swing one. That's the one in the back.
And those are shorter.
That's the shorter. This is the one to lie down where Sosie used to lie
Right.
down. So, pag-isipan natin. What do you think? Do you think it will get cheaper? I don't think so.
Well, we'll get more. So.
Yeah, whatever. You wait until we can find it.
They're just starting. It's not summer yet. They're just starting.
San gazebo, han, look. I like this. Oh yeah, this is thicker. Holy cow, this is thick. Ang ganda ng mga gazebo nila dito. Eh? We need this in the back. Yeah, we need it. It's needable. Hala, I like this.
$5.
Oh no, this is the same thing.
Yeah, same one.
Yeah, the same. This one swing more. No price?
Yeah, let's try somewhere.
No? Nothing in there? No, I like this. Tommy, I'll get this. Look. Uy.
Nice.
Come, look up. Come.
Okay.
Hmm?
Now you know what it is.
I know what it is.
What is it?
40 bucks. You know what? I like it. Okay, that's it. Let's go. There's no scratch, right? There's no like cut, whatever. It's really strong. Okay, let's go. Hello. Can you get that for Roxy?
You take your chair back.
No, you can have my chair. I don't use it, so this one I like, han. The gray one. Guys, look at him. Look at him, guys. Look at him. We went to the thing and then he just have to buy this.
It's like Cracker Jacks.
Huh? Cracker Jack? I said, what the heck? It's like snack, han, snack. Like we don't have snacks in the house. Wala kaming snack sa bahay, guys. Like tinago niya, guys. When I said I'm gonna open the camera, he's hiding it so fast. It's like he's looking for the lid. Ay, nako, Tommy. So, honey, smoke. Keep eating, please. Han, eat, please. Han, can you please eat? Keep eating until we get home. Sigarilyo kasi, guys. Next is sigarilyo. Honey, oh, you're such a bad one. Ay, guys. Huh? Can you open the garage for us? Thank you. Okay, then. This crazy husband I have here. Don't open the thing wide, Tommy.
But you're not going fast. Oh, you're on the highway.
Is that what it is?
Go fast you go. What you dealing with?
Hello, there's a lot of school buses. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's get. So, nakabili tayo ng isang portrait. Hi, baby.
$3.75 was a good deal.
Huh?
$3.75 was a good deal.
75 what?
75 whites for $3.
Each?
$3.
$3 each? Hello! Hi, baby! I'm looking for this thing. That's why some of the containers are here. Tommy took the, ano guys, kasi look. He's a coffee freak. Coffee freak, coffee freak. Yeah, so guys, this is what I got over there. Look how pretty is this. Nilagay ko dito para makita ninyo, ha. Maganda yung temperature ngayon. I mean, that you think this is the best temperature? The temperature outside 45 degree. You think it's nice? What do you think? Huh? Or on top of our bed? Oh no, you know what I'm gonna put in our bed is the one from your bedroom in your Rochelle. Remember that? Still in there, look. So, wala pala dito sa gitna yung ano dito, guys. Andito sa gilid-gilid lang pala. Sa gilid-gilid. Kaloka naman ito. So, next is, ang gagawin ko po is lagyan ng ganito. Yung ganito, parang, buti na lang meron tayong mga pang-frame na ano dito gamit. Alam nyo guys, sa Paris man ito, no? The thing about Paris is, I don't have a wish that I can go there. There's always a riot, honey. So, I'm not dreaming to go to Paris. Other people like, oh, I wish I can go to Paris, la la la. Not me. You know what I wanna go? Where to go? The province where I grow. Where I grew up. Busy guys. Look at him. Look how busy he is guys. Okay guys, tapos na siyang nalagyan ng ganito. So, ang anuhin ko na lang is, I think dito ko siya ilagay. Kasi yung sa bedroom pala is, yung galing sa ano ni Tommy, sa office, sa bedroom niya doon sa isang bahay. So, I think this is the right spot for this right here.